Hi, so welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. And in my last video, so a while ago, so I uploaded a video based on the intro to React.js, and that video will be continuing that video. And today's video will be talking about components in React. So let me pull up a picture, an image. So this is an image of a blog, and in this blog we have various categories, and we have the search category, we have the post category, the postcard category, and we have the top post, and we also have the footer, we have the pagination, and we also have the header. So the header tag right here can be a component, and the postcard here is also a component in React, and the top post are also a component. So React is based on components. Most of the things in React components. So let's try and create a component so that you can get a better understanding about what component is in React. So before that, let's create a folder here, and we'll call the folder components. And you can see right here, the components folder is inside the src folder, which is the source folder for React. So anything outside this folder won't be usable in React, and React won't recognize it. So any file, any folder you want to create should be inside the source folder. So inside this source folder, I want to create a component. So I will name the component a header component. So header, so header.jx. So instead of header, the component must start with a uppercase. It must be in capital letters so that React can recognize this as a component. And before I save this, you see the extension is .js, but if you want your extension to be more syntactic, you have to make use of .jsx, and this .jsx allows you to make use of some HTML syntax in JavaScript without having any problems. So let me create a component, and in React, so to create a component, you have to type in the name of the component. So it might be a class function, it might be a class, or it might be a function. So to create a component in React, so first you need to so I have an extension called React function, and you can see here, and we have an arrow function right here, and this arrow function, it imports the React library, and also we have the class function of header. So right there, what this means is that it's returning these divs, and in components in React, it can only have a single parent. And so assuming, so let me go back, assuming you have another div right here, you can see now we have a red underline. That means you can see here now, JS expression must have one parent element, and in JavaScript, in React, you can only return a single parent in a React component. So like this, so let me remove this. So if you know you want to have another div inside this component, you can create it inside the parent component, and it will be fine. So let's say I'm having an h1 right here, so let me type React course. So let me type in intro so that there will be difference between the previous one and the new one, and let me save. Now this component right here, so if you want to import this component to the main component of React, so this app is the main component of React, is the parent component where you can import other components in. And to do that, let me remove this right here and save. As you can see right here, we don't have anything right here, and you can see the React is gone. So let me go back, and import the component from so I wanted to import the header component, so right there I'll type in import. So import header from, so we go back. Now we are in the slash for, so components and slash, and we type in the header. So right here, if you want to display a component, you have to open a braces and type in the name of the component slash and close it. So if you save it right here, you see that the component displays right here, and right here if we make a changes to this file, you can see immediately it will auto update, and that is how React functions. So you don't need to reload your app or your website. Maybe when you are in development mode, it will be automatically reload when it saves, when you click on the save button. And that is for the components. So we are going to be talking about components more in React. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. See you in my next video.